so Tom sees that.
And so what are you doing to fix it?
We're putting his feet here so he doesn't get sick.
Okay. Are you the doctor?
No, the dinosaur is the doctor.
The dinosaur is the doctor?
He has strong teeth. That's why he's called a buzz. A buzzer. A buzzer. His name is Vaza.
Oh.
Vaza. Vaza is just a wonderful. He needs a pillow. A little pillow. He needs a pillow because he needs it to sleep.